If you're a real estate professional, an investor, or someone who knows you could be doing far more with the opportunities in front of you, you're in the right place. Over the past few years, I've built a model that solves three massive problems at the same time: housing affordability, real estate profitability, and the skills gap created by AI. The solution is simple: co-living done right, creative finance, alternative education, and a community of competent and caring business owners. Right now, most agents and investors walk past properties with massive hidden cash flow, unused bedrooms, dead space, wasted potential. Co-living flips that equation. One property can produce 4, 5, even 7 income streams in any market, in any city, through a model that is ethical, affordable, and extremely profitable. That's why I created the Co-Living Investment Fund and the Pure Experts Alternative Education Platform, to show you exactly how to use this model in your business, in your life. Inside our community, you'll get live workshops, open office hours, real underwriting sessions, AI tools, business academy training, the incubator, the accelerator, and the path to become a certified co-living, AI-enhanced professional. And yes, much of this is free, because I want you to experience real results before you ever consider partnering with us. But here's the real invitation. If you're ready to grow, you can join us as a power partner, fund investor, sponsor, collaborator, or an operator we help scale. We are building ethical, profitable, AI-enhanced businesses across real estate, wellness, community development, and more. This is about leaders helping leaders, building safe, affordable housing, building wealth with integrity, and doing work that matters. And if you want something bigger, something global, you are invited to join our Thailand Investment and Wellness Retreat, April 12th through April 23rd, 2026. This retreat is designed for real estate professionals, investors, and partners who want international expansion, global perspective, and deeper collaboration. Thailand makes sense for middle-class families in the United States. It makes sense for investors looking for new opportunities. It makes sense for anyone building long-term wealth and freedom. So here's what to do next. Visit our website at purexperts.com to get access to our upcoming virtual seminar. Join us on December 5th, 6th, and 7th for 2 hours of valuable content from great speakers and community leaders. There will also be a daily Q&A session. Get the tools, get the AI playbooks, get the co-living models, and decide if this is the right next step for you. If you value growth, integrity, skills, and long-term partnership, welcome. You're exactly who we're building this for. I'll see you inside. Let's build something great together.